exciting. It's just, it made our situation and circumstances go in a different direction than where we were going. So
route or route?
Route.
Okay.
A route. I don't know. I don't care. Route, course, path, whatever. So, anywho, we've been working on our bungalow in Alabama.
Won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Trying to get that project done. Hopefully it'll be done by February so we can get back on the road. We have meetups in Florida in February, and then we want to head east, west, north, I don't know, but back at it full time.
I kind of want to get up to Michigan and see some of that stuff up there.
Traverse City and
all that cool stuff, so we'll see how that shakes out. That'll be fun, yeah?
Yeah. And what did you do this morning when we had to leave because this cold front?
Oh, yeah, oh my gosh, this cold front is insane. So it was going to be below 28 for 3 days in Alabama. So I winterized. It was the first time that we've done that. We've never had to. You know?
We left our rig there.
Yeah, we left our rig, so it was the first time I've done that. And I'll show you some stuff. It was like not that big of a deal. I mean, I was thinking all kinds of stuff. Now, the one thing I didn't do is I didn't empty the hot water heater, but I did do the bypass thing because we left our heat on at 50 degrees. We're going to be gone for a few days, so it won't be a problem.
Just over Christmas.
Yeah.
And then it'll be warm again.
So check that out.
Warmer.
Disconnect your water lines for sure. You gotta empty your tanks, both of them. Make sure they're empty. Gotta drain your freshwater tank. Shut off water to the hot water heater. And then you gotta take your water filter out if it's on board. 6 gallon of antifreeze into the freshwater tank.
How many gallons?
4 or 5 to 6. So then you turn the water pump on. There you go. Then you run it until it turns pink.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We've got some really fun, exciting things that we want to do and see, and that's what we do. We do and see.
That's right.
See and do.
We're not sea-doos though.
No.
So, all right. Hey, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that good stuff, and catch you very soon.
On the flip side.
That's right. Oh, and wait a minute. Hi, Jude.
Hi, Jude.
That's our
Hi.
nephew, Jasper.
Chappy. Hi, boys.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys soon too. All right.
Adios. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.